So today, day 15, and we discuss about the filter. The filter is the last option of the home menu bar. How can filter the data? If you have the data and data is the mix up, you want to see the and copy the one particular part of the data. That time we have used the filter. Just like this is the my data, and I want to see only for online sale here. Okay, so now we have used the filter. Go to the home and sorting filter, use the filter, and filter shortcut is the Control Shift L. Click on the filter, you can see here your filter will be applied, but only for filter applied, not your data will be filtered. You if you want to filter the data, go to this symbol on your field, click here and first unselect all filter or select all and click here which data you want to see. I want to see only for online. Click the online, press the OK, and now you can see only for online data is coming, and rest of the data will be hide. You can see here 1, 3, 5, 6. Here is the my data is high.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So you can also apply the multiple fill filter. Just like this is the online. I want to see only for Delhi. So we have click on the city and unselect the data, select the Delhi and OK. Now you can also apply the condition just like quantity. I want to online sale Delhi and greater than 15. So we have go to the quantity and number filter. This is a greater than 15. Type here and OK. You can see the data. So you have apply the multiple filter in your filtration according to your requirement. Now I want to clear the filter. I want to clear the one by one. If you click here and clear filter, click here. I want to clear all filter. So go to the filter and clear. Click here, clear. To clear the all column filter. Okay. Now we have discussed about the filter type. In the Excel, have a three type of the filter. First, text filter. Second, number filter. And third, date filter. They filter depending your data in the column. In this column, have a text, that means text filter. This column have a
Mm-hmm.
number, the number filter, and this column have a date, then date filter. So in the list, you have select. When you apply the filter, this is the list. You can list select, also search here list. But I want to apply the filter by condition, just like filter by color. So click here and select your color. Your filter applied by color. Also, I want to apply with condition formatting icon. To go to the field, select here filter by color. Also, color and condition formatting both are the filter by color. Select your icon. Your icon will be filtered. But I want to apply the condition, just like in the city, have a some Delhi and have a some New Delhi. So I want to apply contain with, just like condition formatting, we have used the contain with,
Okay.
text that contain. So
Mm-hmm.
go to the filter, text filter, and we have more options, just like equal, does not equal, begin with, and with, contain, does not contain, and also custom filter where you choose your on requirement. So this is the contain, right? Click here
Okay.
contain, and we have a type here Delhi and OK. You can see only for Delhi and New Delhi both are the coming. So in the condition formatting, the text filter, you have choose these options. Otherwise, go to the custom filter. In the custom filter, have a many options, and here is the and or. Just like we have select the begin with new, okay, or select here and with valley. and we have select the and with, and it means in the column every cell start with new and with Delhi they are filtered. Both of the
Okay.
conditions have required. But when you select the or, if you have the data start with new, then also selected, and with Delhi will also selected. Okay. As per your
Mhm.
requirement, you have used the and or. You can see here.
Here and means both the things will come.
And with both of condition will be required. And
Will
or
be
means
required, right?
anyone.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now we use the number filter. In the number filter, we have many options, just like equal. You can s- filter the particular number does not equal, greater than equal to, less than equal to, between, top 10, above average, below average, like that. You select the top 10, but you have also changed here top 10 to top 5 and top 3 also. And okay, you can see top 10. But we have select the top
Okay.
5, but only for 20 is coming, because 20 is many times. So we have selected. So this is not select the unique top 5. The top 5, if you have number is the repeated in the 5 time, 10 time, the also same number will be selected. Then above average and below average. Okay. Otherwise, go to the custom filter and you have use the conditions according your requirement. Right? Now we discuss the date filter. When you have put the date, and if your date has a date format, then you can see in the year wise grouping. Just like we have the 4 year data, so 2023 to 26, this is the yearly group. When you expand here, you select the month. Just like 23, we expand here, here's a month. You have select the your month, which month you want to data. So April, and which month you want to particular date. So first we have unselect the all data, and I want to select data will April month, select here April, and okay, only for April date will be coming here. This is the date filter. But in the date filter have many options, just like equal. You have filtered the particular date before the particular date, after the particular date, and between two particular date. So in this option you have need to enter your date, just like you click here and we have entered date. You can also select the here calendar, it's the calendar, and you can also select the date, just like we have selected the 28 and okay. You can see after 28 April data will be coming. But in the date filter, this is the filter connected by my computer date, system date. This is tomorrow. Automatically read the system date and tomorrow date will be highlighted.
Yeah.
Okay. And today, yesterday, next week, this week, last week, next month, this month, last month, next quarter, this quarter, last quarter, next year, this year, last year, and also year to date. Year to date, it means first Jan to till date, the same current year.
Oh,
Now
okay.
I have the 4 year data, right? So this is the all date in
Mm-hmm.
period. It means if you have select the quarter one, it means all year quarter one will be selected. Quarter
Okay.
two also year quarter two will be selected. Also January, so all year January, just like 20 January 2023, January 24, 25, and 26 will be also selected. Okay,
Okay.
okay. Next thing, the advanced filter. But advanced filter we discuss after the formula, because advanced filter also connected with a database formula. So we have discussed in the database formula, because advanced filter in the data menu bar. And now we have home
Okay.
menu bar and some
Okay.
miscellaneous feature here, just like finance lab. You can also find and search any value, and by sheet, by workbook, by row, by column, and formula and value also. Sometimes you have searched any value is not showing, it means you have select the only for formula. When you select the value is coming. Okay. You can also search with the color. Just like I want to search the yellow color, which cell have a yellow color, I want to search. Then find all. You can we have select the formula. So we have select the value. This is not yellow color only for. Okay. So sometimes not, if you not find the color, so that time you also pick the cell format. Now find all. Okay, you can see time.
So how you picked?
Yeah, we have select here choose format from cell. Choose format
Okay,
from cell.
answer. Okay.
Okay,
Oh,
and also you have used the replace. Find and replace. Replace, it means replace your which word you want to find. Okay. Match case, if you want to a capital letter and lower letter, you want to exact case will be searched. That time we have used the match case. And match entire cell contain. It means when you have find, just like we have select the find, control F, and we have select here Delhi. Okay, and find all.
okay.
You can see, so your Delhi or New Delhi also find. Okay, but I want to only for Delhi, not in New Delhi. See which word I want to find only for only this word in cell, not a word with another cell, another text. So
Hmm.
that time we have used match entire cell content. Then find all. You can select. New Delhi is not coming here.
Okay.
Okay. Now
Hmm.
we discuss about the selection. So go to the file and select. We have the go to special. And in the go to spatial have a particular part of the selection. We have used also the this selection this features. So you if you want to select the which part you want to select your data, the constraints I want to select only for number. So when you have select only for number, so number will be selected. Only number selected. Text is not selected. Date is not selected. Only for number selected. Okay. Then go to a spatial. I want to select the blank. Only for blank select. Current region, it means select all. Current array, it means array select. Object, it means pictures and graph will be selected here. Last cell, go to last cell. Select the visual cells only. If you apply the filter and you want to select only for visual, then visual cells are selected. Conditional formatting, it means only for conditional formatting will be selected. Okay. So we have done the home menu bar here.